In the heart of a blacksmith's furnace, coal crackled and roared. The fire wasn't just melting iron, it was fueling an idea that would change the destiny of mankind. Every strike of the hammer against molten metal sent sparks flying. It wasn't just the sound of labor, it was the rhythm of progress, inching us closer to a new source of unstoppable power. For centuries, we relied on the steady push of millstones, the turning of water wheels, and the whisper of windmills. But these old forces had limits, tied to the mercy of nature's mood. Deep underground, miners carved through stone and darkness, pulling out coal, the black rock that would soon fuel machines louder and stronger than anything the world had ever heard. Then came visionaries like James Watt. His sketches of pistons, gears, and valves weren't just drawings on paper. They were the blueprints of a revolution that would set the world in motion. The first steam engines came alive. Iron pistons pounded like a beating heart. Gears clanked, steam hissed. It was more than a machine. It was the birth of industrial power. Factories rose like giants, their smokestacks piercing the sky. Cities grew restless with noise, fire, and opportunity. The Industrial Revolution had begun, and the steam engine was its roar. On open plains, steam locomotives raced against horses. Hooves thundered, but wheels turned faster. For the first time, nature's speed had been outpaced by human invention. Railroads stretched endlessly across fields, forests, and mountains. They were iron veins carrying the lifeblood of progress, connecting towns, nations, and people as never before. Inside factories, steam-powered looms spun cloth with relentless speed. Molten metal poured into molds, hammers pounded steel. The steam engine didn't just move trains, it powered the world of industry. Ports echoed with the whistles of steamships. Carriages gave way to railways. Goods and people crossed oceans and continents. The world had suddenly grown smaller and busier. In the furnace rooms, coal shoveled into roaring fires. The engines groaned, pistons surged, and the cycle continued. Fuel, fire, steam, motion. A relentless loop of progress. Train stations became the beating hearts of cities. Travelers with bags, letters flying across miles, goods delivered in days instead of months. Time itself seemed to accelerate. But every leap forward left a shadow. Thick smoke blackened the skies, streets filled with ash. Workers coughed through the smog. Progress demanded a heavy price. Yet through clouds of smoke, locomotives still roared. Their whistles cut through the dark, promising light, speed, and a future still unfolding. From locomotives to steamships, from roaring factories to glowing skylines, the power of steam became the backbone of modern civilization. It fueled assembly lines, carried ships across seas, and laid the foundation for global trade and industry. Steam didn't just power machines, it powered society. To ride the rails was to feel freedom. The countryside blurred past. The engine's pulse echoed in your chest. It was more than transportation, it was transformation. Every hiss of steam, every pounding piston, every turning gear created a rhythm. The mechanical heartbeat of progress, steady and unstoppable. The locomotive became a symbol. Emerging from tunnels into sunrise, it represented humanity itself, driving forward into the unknown with fire and steel. And though steam gave way to diesel, electricity, and eventually bullet trains, its legacy remains. Without it, the highways of steel we know today would never exist. From coal to maglev, from iron rails to futuristic speed, it all began with steam. The fire that powered the future still echoes in every engine we build today. If this journey through invention inspired you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more, and ride with us as we uncover the untold stories of the machines that shaped our world.